Guys, this is Preeti and we are back in the live session. Sorry for the last week, our schedule was little tight. So I thought let's start with Monday only for the live session. Today we are going to talk a little about the broad border saris, what I feel. This is a sari which I took for myself from Son on Diwali and I thought to re-wear it. So first thing, I'm not fond of blues, let me tell you, but when it comes to a blue and red combination, I can't resist myself. So this sari what I am wearing is we have another fresh piece in that. This sari we have fresh piece also, can you get me? Yeah, so I'll show you this sari. This is a Patni design we have and a broad border in the Mughlai pattern. Why I love broad border saris, let me tell you. So there is a myth. First thing, that if someone is short height, they can't carry it. No, it's not like that. Rather, I feel with a broad border, you can actually pleat it in a nicer manner. You can take it in a falling palla style. You can make a beautiful Gujarati style pallu like this. And later on, you can convert these saris into beautiful lehengas. So this particular one is the first sari. I don't know how many designs we have done in this combination, but this is one of the best combination till date. We have crafted in zari kota, in broad borders, in Patni interwoven. So this is the first piece for the day. This is the pallu of the sari, Mughlai Bhuta, and comes with a red blouse. So this is double tissue sari. Second piece is very interesting. The combination we tried recently is a lavender and orange. So someone said like orange with gold zari looks very interesting. So we took the feedback so seriously because Son is all about customer, craftsman and creativity. So we take feedback from the customers and here we go. So the orange you see here, top border, the body is very minimal in a shade of lavender with zari flowers and the color highlight from lavender family only. And see the broad border, here the peacocks. Here is the pallu of the sari. These are perfect for your weddings. The sari comes with the orange blouse. For the detailed viewing of the sari, you can book your video call appointment. The third piece in broad border, a traditional combination you can't go wrong with, is this one. So this is your top border. You can see the detailing here with silver zari, the pattu patni fabric, and these are the flowers. This is the body of the sari with monkeys and birds. And here is your broad border. You can see with, figures like rabbit and some birds. This is your pallu. Next piece in broad border, we can also do same color. How same color? Something like this. So this is your top border. The body of the sari is all floral. And the bottom border in same color. Instead of tissue, we have used buff katan. Yeah. So now when we are coming to tissue, I would like to address one more concern, that let's say we have one design and that one design we have to do in single and double tissue. So I would like to tell the price difference would be hardly 20 to 30k rather than just drastic, because yes, there's a measured gold and silver zari. But the measured gold is for 5.5 meter sari, which will be equal for all the designs. But what we are paying for is a design in the sari, the craftsmanship, the time taken. So please keep this thing in mind. The very important factor here is we are paying for the design of the sari. So if again I would like to summarize it like that, if a same design we have to do in single and double tissue, the pricing will be hardly 20 to 30,000 difference will be there. So yeah, this is the pallu of the sari and comes with the running blouse. These were the broad borders for this session. Now let's come to single tissues. This one I think I recently posted a reel also. We have kept the top border with zari because you can get the handwork done. Beautiful birds. Again lots of zari in the body of the sari. Here is your pallu. Next piece we have restocked in green color is this one, all florals, no figures, and I think comes with a peach blouse if I'm not wrong. Very interesting peach salvage. The usage of color is very interesting. Guys, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. And this is your pallu. The next piece I think we have sold almost all the pieces in a different color in this design, whatever were there. This is the new color, a very interesting salmon pink. You can see this is the top border, which again we have kept plain. The body of the sari looks like this. You can actually pair up with a brown also, I feel. And this is your pallu. Oh, lavender again. It's a favorite. The moment this piece comes, gets sold out immediately. We have recently done an off-white blouse for this particular design for someone. Also, we have done a pearl blouse in white for someone. So white will look really interesting with such kind of saris. You can see the top border in Dhakai Jamdani. The body of the sari with all florals, zari. You can see silver zari, the flowers, and a little meenakari from a different green color. And this time we have given a green blouse with this sari in kota. And this is your pallu. So one more broad border here. Though it's a non-tissue sari, but see the beauty of this piece and looks so interesting with red. This is your top border. You can see the beautiful figures here. The body of the sari all floral. This is your bottom border. And here is your pallu, and the sari comes with a green blouse. And next and the last piece, our favorite color, hot pink. We have done different design in this color, but this time a new design in a non-tissue piece. Less than a lakh is this one. And all floral, top border, and comes with a yellow blouse. And that's all about this session. Two more important things I would like to tell. As an annual process, and with increasing gold, silver price and craftsmanship, and the labor, the material, everything, we are going to revise the prices from January, which can impact our retail pricing around 8 to 10%. So this is it. Also, for our privileged customer, those who have already shopped from us, we are offering a privileged discount for the discontinued pieces, sample pieces, not on fresh. So someone who wants to buy something at a discounted price, you can reach out to the team on WhatsApp. And that's all. Again, guys, one more incident recently happened. I think there was someone who requested the price of a particular piece that was priced around 2,65,000 for a single tissue, and her budget was not very high. So she said, can you do it in non-tissue? Of course we can do, because the sari is new design and it's on loom, so we'll remove the tissue. So the pricing again will be a 20,000-30,000 difference. But again, the person was not convinced, because that was not fitting the budget she was planning. And it's always a good idea to tell your budget, which I really appreciate. Then the idea she came up with is like, can you do half sari plain and half sari in the design? We were like, yeah, that can be done. So now the costing of the sari will be half. Of course, no, this is not a grocery item you are buying, right? This is a art piece, a heirloom piece you are purchasing. So please, think, and then maybe you can bring such statement in the conversation. However, everyone has rights to ask the question, and we really appreciate such people. Thank you so much for watching this live. I'll be saving it to IGTV, and for the new collection, other collection, you can always get in touch with the team. Thank you so much. Wishing you a Merry Christmas in advance. Thank you.